Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this Wix tutorial I'll show you how to add a favicon to your Wix. So guys, this is actually pretty simple. For this you just need to go to your settings, just navigate to settings, and guys, instead of just searching manually, as you can see we have the search bar in the top that allows us to search for certain settings. So let us just type in favicon. So as you can see we have our favicon setting right over here. Just click on this. So if you want to boost your website, the way it looks, and attract more attention, more customers, more viewers, this is actually a pretty cool way of customizing your site visually. So if you want to do this, as you can see, we have this favicon section in here. So as you can see, favicon is a small icon next to your site title. You can get a custom one to help your visitors recognize your brand and stand out. So as you can see, to use the favicon, you need to upgrade to a premium plan, and as you can see, we also have a preview. So this is what your website's favicon will look like. So basically what this is, as you can see, if I even take a look at my tab on Wix. So as you can see, there's a Wix favicon. They have set their own in here. So some websites that are not as professional, and maybe some amateur websites or some very simple stores, they might not have this. And instead they will just have this, well, for example, wix.com and no icon in here. So if you want to have this, you will be able to do it right over here. Just make sure to have a premium subscription first. Don't forget to like and subscribe.